Hey everyone, happy Easter. I promise this is the last Easter set because the time is getting on now and Easter's nearly over. So I decided to do one more Easter set. What I've done is I have used the Shemodern Watercolor polishes, right, over stamping. So these are the base colours I'm going to use today. So the thumbnail will change at the end, but when we get to that part I will explain further. So I just applied 2 coats of the polishes and cure them in the lamp, and then I shall be right back. Okay. Okay, I'm going to matte top coat these, and I'm also going to use these water decals from Charlie's Nail Art. I just did the usual thing on the back of the stamper, small amount of water. When it's ready, just slide it straight off, and then I smooth it out. I pick up the wrong silicone tool. It was just there. I just picked it up. So it was just, yeah, it was just there. So I just picked it up and used it. And yeah, I didn't get very far with that one. I had to change it. So this is the stamping plate I'm going to be using today. So this is from Moyu London, and I'm going to be using the opaque white sticky stamping polish from Shemodern, not the black, but I showed you the black and then I show you the white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the images. So I have matte top coated these because we're going to use the watercolor polish today. And obviously, as you know, if you use it over a glossy surface, it's just going to like pool, you know, like if you think about water on something, it kind of sort of just all separates. So it's better to use alcohol inks and all that kind of stuff on a matte surface, so it kind of stays put and you can sort of move it, but it's not all over the place. So yep, so I will just stamp the image on, and I will briefly show you the colours that I'm going to use, but I will have them all listed down below. So yeah, I will obviously speed it up, but yep, these are the images I'm going to use today. And as I said, I do change this thumbnail, so I've left it in because obviously I did it. It took me forever to do. So yep, so I'm going to be using the neon and some of the jellies. I can't remember exactly what ones I used. This was the, I think I used the pink, the coral, no, not coral, red. Yeah, pink, red. I can't remember. I really can't remember. I don't know. Oh, blue, yellow, blue, and green. I think I used some of the orange, but I sort of tried to make it as pastel as I could with adding some of the white to it. But yeah, it wasn't as pastel as I wanted it. But it's, you know, this is only like my second time using them, so yeah, you know, it's all about trying them out. So yeah, so I will leave the music on and just let you watch, and then I shall come back. Okay. Okay, so this is a nail that I changed at the end. So I tried going in with this thicker brush and I was just like, no, this is just too thick. So I changed it for another brush. This took me so long to do. And then at the end, right at the end, I finished recording and then I had to look at the nails and I was like, I don't like that. So then I redid it all off camera. I know. But just when you're not happy, you're just not happy, are you? So yeah, it took me forever to do it and then I didn't like it at the end. But hey, that's what it's all about though, isn't it? But I did have fun using these. Yeah, I can't wait to try some other designs and different ways to use them. But they are so much fun. So I will have this at the end. It will be the first picture that you see at the end, the design all together, and then I will have the redone nail, second attempt, I don't know what you want to call it, at the end. So yeah, I will just let you watch and then I shall come back. Okay. Okay, so this is design nearly done. So I add one more water decal. This is obviously from Charlie's, and yep, I just stamp it on, and then I will top coat them all with the Shemodern satin top coat. It is amazing. I love it. It just gives you that glossy look, but kind of matte and glossy at the same time, so not as much glare. It's really, really nice. This just wouldn't stick down for me. I had to take it off and put back on again, but yeah. Anyway, I managed to get it on in the end anyway. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Yep, I can't wait to try these again. I have been trying them off at camera since recording this, so yeah, I do have something I want to show you. So yeah, but don't forget to check out Shemodern. I do have a discount code to use on the Shemodern website. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you for watching all my Easter designs. I know it's been a bit crazy, and yep, let me know your thoughts. Well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yep, hopefully I will see you in the next video, and I hope you've all had a lovely Easter. Okay, I will speak to you all soon. Bye.